Hey, it's Tuba Billy. Let's say your starter breaks. It's happened to me. Here's how you start your motorcycle. First, neutral, starter's on, it's turned on. All you have to do is start rolling down a hill. And when you get up enough speed, you just pop it in gear. Not ideal, but it'll definitely get you out of a bind. So my starter's been a while ago. My starter died. The gears stripped out, and I couldn't start it. I could hit the starter button and just go bzzz, like nothing. Not even trying to crank, just spinning a broken gear. Ended up getting a whole new starter clutch mechanism, which is very expensive on these things. To get it home though, I did that exact thing, only I didn't have a hill. I had a couple of coworkers that pushed me while I was on it, and once we got it up to speed and I could, balance it, just popped it in gear and away I went. So little how-to, little pro tip, I guess. If you're ever stranded, won't start, weak starter, weak whatever, hopefully there's nothing coming, that's how you can start your motorcycle. Just wanted to leave that with you, so in case you're ever stranded. I think I already said that. Anyway, be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.